No. Say hi, Uncle Nick.
Hi, Uncle Nick.
Say watch me.
Watch me.
Go.
Put him on the computer. Loop is gone. So let's see what happens to this stroke here for his par.
Kiss me. Kiss me.
I would say that was a pretty good stroke. Maybe a misread, David?
Yeah, I thought it would turn a little farther to the left as well. I'll blame the computer.
Well, not a good start to the second nine for Tringali with 2 squares on the card. Let's go to 14.
Look at Snake at the flag flapping away way over to the right.
Open that. Open.
He's aiming left, and I think
Take it to Mom.
an aggressive play from where he was. Has the putter in hand. Maybe he can get away with a birdie.
And now, Brendan Steele to keep himself at 8 under par.
This way, Dad.
Nope.
Up the hill.
Turn it up. Nope. Turn the upper over.
Will it turn it over?
Right down.
Yep.
I don't know.
It's got to be in the top part though. Remember?
Oh.
Apparently not.
All right, nicely holed.
Keep going until it falls down in the groove.
So once again, Brendan Steele gets it up and down.
Keep going.
This card blemish
It's not
free.
falling.
Stays at -8.
There. Now put the bolt in.
Now Kevin Chaplin to clean up for his par.
This way.
Yep.
All right, so through
Close the
13 holes, Steele and
ejection
Chaplin.
port. Close the ejection port cover.
And 2 shots clear
Okay.
of Brandt Snedeker and Charlie Hoffman. There's the flag of Texas. We are deep in the hills of Texas. The wind blowing these players around.
Remember, push them together real good.
It's not going down.
Okay, now try. Now the front one. Okay, how do you check it? Here, hold the gun. There you go. Now look at the screen. Say, "Oorah."